Once upon a time, a man was approached by many young guys who had a real concern about their addiction to intense pornography. This man had heard about it so often that he decided to share his knowledge on the subject. He explained that watching intense porn creates a strong dopamine rush that can overwhelm the brain's dopamine system. This is especially true for young guys who are getting all their arousal from watching other people have sex and then struggle to perform in real life scenarios. When the man started doing public education on the topic, he began receiving a lot of questions from young males about porn and masturbation. He realized that there was a lot of fear and insecurity surrounding sexual dysfunction that porn can lead to, especially in males. He explained the cascade of sexual arousal and orgasm and how it is affected by the balance between the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous systems. He also talked about the effects of prolactin and testosterone levels after ejaculation, which play a role in pair bonding. However, the man warned that masturbation and porn can undermine healthy processes such as dating, communication, and sexual interaction, as they tap into the dopamine system and can eventually deplete it. This leads to an open loop of neurochemicals, including oxytocin and prolactin, and puts the person into an emotivated state. Just like drugs of abuse and addiction, over time, people need to use more and more porn to achieve the same high, and it eventually depletes the dopamine system. The man compared it to making your home environment filthy and stacking dopaminergic tools, such as energy drinks and loud fast music, that eventually lead to depletion. In conclusion, the man emphasized that we don't need to be afraid of pursuing or engaging in things that release dopamine, such as healthy sexual behavior, food, social engagement, and other activities that bring joy and pleasure. But it is important to be mindful of our consumption and not let it get out of control.